lazy or broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing and a try on haul video. So if you're new to my channel, please I'm asking you to make sure that you go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell on all, so whenever time I drop a video, you'll never miss the notification. Remember to connect with me on my socials at rush_shella. So this video is sponsored by Babala. Okay, so this is the package that they sent me for me to unbox. So I'm gonna be unboxing this on the camera, and then I'm gonna try it on so you all can see same way. Okay, so all the necessary informations I'll be placing in my description box, so you guys can just go down there and check them out. And you guys can use my coupon code AD6218. So the coupon code is valid for all items, right? So if you're purchasing any items overall on the website, my coupon code is valid. Okay, so you guys make sure you jump on it so you can get a little discount off and thing, right? Yeah, so without further ado, let's just open the package. Alright guys, so Louis Vuitton. Okay, alright, so the top, so Louis Vuitton drawstring bag. So see there, yeah. So no, if you don't want to go out and you don't want to put footwear in that, you can bring that. So alright, so I'm gonna take them out. Oh my god, I love the shoes, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Listen, look at this. It's so cute. Louis Vuitton, look at that, guys. I love. So this right here is cloth, and it's so unique, not to mention the gold. Look at the detail. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Woo, it's so cute, guys. This is so cute. So I think this is size 37. I think 37 and a half. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so I think this is the invoice. So this is the invoice that they put in it as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this on and show you all how they look on my feet. Oh my god, they're so cute, guys. But they are one that if you something them already bigger than my foot. We hope not. So anyway, let's try on these things and see if they fit. Alright guys, we're gonna go on with the shoes now. Guys, me not like the insole. The insole of the shoe is high body, you know. The bottom tough like a rock stone. Tough. Backside. Bottom tough. But anyway, guys, boy, I feel high now this. Shoes feel high, but my foot them big. But anyway, guys, not a room in this shoes like tight. No room is in it, but it's bad. Alright guys, so you all tell me what you think about the shoes, and remember now that you guys can use my discount code AD6218, and remember that this discount code is valid for all items. Okay, so please feel free to check in my description box so that you guys can head over to the site to place your orders. So if you want the same exact footwear, you all can go over there and purchase it. And guys, it's very reasonable, okay? And guys, I'm not telling you no lie, like this shoes is unique. Yeah, it's like really unique. Like the bottom of the shoes just feels so high, and it's like when you know like when you put on some shoes and you feel heavy on the foot. This is not the case with the shoes. Like you don't feel heavy until the shoes just sit down on your foot. Yeah, you know, like when egg and frankfurter sit down in a bread. Yeah, but no, so no good with that thing. Otherwise, no good. Why put in a smoothie thinking a bread and frankfurter egg net, but I don't know what else I know that about or what else you all think I would have said. But yeah, this is a solid 10 out of 10 for me. I love the shoes, and I just can't wait until, you know, me jump in it to wear it, go out and brandish it, right? Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed, I don't know what you'll be waiting on. Please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So it's a girl, and I'll catch you all in the next video.
Baby, I just want you to give. Lately, I've been a little fell. Wish you would just focus on me.